Sit. Sit. What? Ruby, what's wrong? What? What? What's wrong with you? I don't know what's wrong with you. You'll have to tell me. You'll have to tell me. What? Sit. Sit. What have you got stuck in your hair? Have you got food in your hair? Have you got food in your hair? Have you? How did you get that in your hair? And where's the pussycat? Where is he? Go on and get him. Get the cat. Where is he? Where's the pussycat? No, stop that. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Stop that messing. Stop that messing. You're very bold. Yes. Do you want your dinner? Do you want your dinner? I don't know what you want. You have to show me. Like, do you want your dinner? Do you want to go potty? Do you want to go see the cat? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Yeah. No, because you're a bold girl. Now stop that crying now and giving out. Stop that giving out. You're an awful moan today.